All right, so I'm getting everything put back together. Now, before you go ahead and solder it all in and creating a bunch of headaches for yourself, make sure that you test the resistance of the fader that you just repaired to make sure that it's actually functioning properly, because desoldering and resoldering faders is not exactly a fun time. The layout's a little weird if you look at the board. It's, this pin's not even connected. So I'm kind of jimmying around here. It's these two are the first 2 points you want to test. And then I think it's this point, which goes to this point, which tests, left, because you want to test for left and right. Um, yeah, it's a kind of a non-standard fader in a lot of ways. So there I get 15K, which is pretty good. I think it's supposed to go up to 20, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure on that actually. Um, it's kind of a weird fader. Oh, it's still 15K. Okay, so it's definitely not those 2 points. So let's try these 2 points. There we go. So now we got 19, 20K all the way in that direction. Bring it all the way back down, and we're going to have 1.1, which is basically zero. So that looks pretty good. And I'm confident in the repair job I did here. Now, if we go over here, we get this 4K reading, which is kind of weird, and then this one, which is 19K. So that looks more normal. So we'll do 19K. Again, I'm just trying to find which ones are left and right. Um, and then if we go in the other direction, it goes down to 6.1. That's pretty good, basically. Pretty close to zero there. So, I'm pretty happy with this. I think it's working well. You could put clips on this and check for dead spots, so you can actually slide it while it's taking the measurements. Um, you know what? I'll go ahead and do that just to show you guys the proper way to do this. But like I said, I'm pretty darn confident. I've done these before, and um, this one was pretty straightforward. It actually wasn't quite as filthy and stuff as I thought. Usually the problems you'll get with this part of the testing are going to be due to bent contacts. Um, a little like more so than dirt and grime. So there's your 1.3, and then as we slide it, 760, 300, 700, and you see how the bar on the bottom is going up? That's what you want to see. You want to see that it's making a gradual increase. There's no dead spots. And that's how it looks. Nice. Yeah, it's beautiful. No dead spots. I'm measuring this again from the, oh yeah, it goes up to 19K. Cool. So that is quite nice. I mean, for a refurbished, gosh, probably 20, 30-year-old fader, this is working very well. You can't really ask for more than that. Like I said, it's not a penny in Giles. It's not like a super, super high-end fader. But with these, by removing this rubber insert here, you really take away a lot of the resistance, which is really nice. And then I just applied some silicone thermal grease. Um, I would recommend what DJ Legion says, which is using the Deoxit fader cleaner or fader grease, which I did not know existed until I saw his video, which is really cool. But yeah, this is what I have on hand. So this is what's going to do for now. Take out that ball bearing and that spring, which is the middle lock, unless you want it, which case you can leave it. But I think the point of doing this is to have it more like a DJ fader and not have that in there. Put this in a bag, save this, give it away on eBay or something, or to a friend. These are going to be hard to come by, like all parts for this thing. Don't throw parts out. Please don't throw parts out for these units. They're very hard to come by, the parts. I mean, I almost spent $20 on screws, for Christ's sake. This sucker is in demand. So yeah, don't throw anything out. Give it away, and have fun upgrading your fader. This is Sega Sonic Fan signing out.